Alright guys, let's talk about Solana. Now, if you've not seen the charts of Solana, it is bleeding red. And a lot of people are basically going to burn on this cryptocurrency. I've made multiple videos talking about this cryptocurrency in the past, so please check that out. And typically most cryptocurrencies, including Solana, have done all the same. Now, if we go to their website, right off the bat, it says powerful, I guess can't see, powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Now, I'm in the position that I do program, and I know multiple languages. I would say the majority of people who are in cryptocurrency barely use any type of dApps or programming use when it comes to the cryptocurrency. Now, if I'm wrong, just tell me in the comments, but this is just that the majority of people are not analytical or that way of thinking when it comes to programming and using a cryptocurrency. It's like gee whiz kind of stuff. Oh, this thing has things for powerful developers. That's cool. How many people actually use it for that and use this cryptocurrency for any other reason? I would argue that the majority of people who are in cryptocurrency is just to see money or capital appreciation. They're all just trying to make more money, not for the actual use. It's kind of like using Bitcoin to buy coffee or buy anything. It would be a horrible use of fees and paying more for the same thing instead of using your credit card or debit card, you know. But here's the cryptocurrency if you guys want to read more about it. But what I really want to show you is their community sector before I go into the charts, okay? So here's the message board. This is something that is like, here's something that's really amazing when you start reading through these things. Because I like reading people's comments and understanding like their thought process on it. Okay, let's go into it. So here's the chart. To this commenter, Carlos Lamboles. To all the moon boy degens who keep on throwing their money away at Sol, why don't you donate it to me instead? Facts. Lost a major support, looking at $3 to $5 might be a high possibility. Sol, basically Solana, I was a long time Solana maxi. Today I sold my Solana at a huge loss. Now, when I hear, or when people say they lost a lot on cryptocurrency, it just blows my mind that they don't take periodic withdrawals or price targets and remove some of their capital to get their initial back. Like, even people hodling, if you're so positive, take some off the table. Now, you don't have to do it. I do it all the time, and I'll tell you, like, if you put your stop loss above your entry, lock in your trade, and it keeps on going, hit your target profit, boom, one trade, target profit. Next trade, if it knocks you out of your trade and not hit your stop loss, and you walk away with profit. That's the purpose of trading. These people think that they're all moon mentality, 100,000, 600,000 Bitcoin. Now, yeah, it could go there, or Solana could go higher, but these things are not really used for anything other than, in my opinion, just for more money. That's all they're using it for. I'd say the majority of cryptocurrencies, especially with 21,865 cryptocurrencies out there. There's just so many, and they're usually all tokens, so throw that out there. Solana will soon go to zero, as FTX is holding 85 million of Solana and court will sell them to pay for creditors. Sell your Solana while you can. SBF Alameda Research holds 13.25% of Solana coins in circulation. Woo! So this is not a good sign for Solana or many cryptocurrencies. I would say, guys, if you're going to exit, take the smallest haircut possible, because these type of things are going to get expensive and it's going to be painful, and people think that crypto is a scam. Crypto's not a scam. The intended use, understanding the blockchain, how it can be used outside of the dollar or the government system, that makes sense. But when the government's going to use it against you, especially with the Fed cryptocurrency, you know, prepare for all your purchasing to be tracked. That's another video for another story. But when it comes to this, guys, like, you start looking at a lot of people's like, I have 0 for sexual, bears don't respect the short. Like, this is like a good cryptocurrency to short, and a lot of cryptos I'm already shorting. Okay, Solana, stupid Americans think that it's locked up to 28, and that's for people who are like, what is it? Not stacking. I forgot the term. Basically, when you hold the crypto and you get paid like a dividend, that to me is all used as a scam. That's why I don't do it. I just trade these things. I have only cash positioned, like, hodled one cryptocurrency, but exit with a profit before it went bananas. And this is another example of why you should use an exit indicator. So when the market starts trending negative, the chart will be like, hey, you should exit your position. Do not enter a buy. But, you know, I talk about it in other videos, but here's a lot of people talking about this. Solana is a big project. We believe in Solana. We will come back. We'll join Solana network next year, maybe. I mean, I think a lot of cryptocurrencies will be going to zero, and if they do get bought up, they're just being bought up to make more money. They're not being used. Like, there's some cryptocurrencies out there that have really good like user base. Like, they're actually using cryptocurrency for something real. Kind of like what is that football one that sports crypto I talk about? Some cryptos actually have some use. Not all of them do, but some do. Now let's go through a little bit more. Solana, this is not the last chance. As the clowns say, it's just a new opportunity for you. So when you see other YouTubers talk about buying this stuff, are they actually buying it? Because a lot of my crypto videos, I'm talking the exact same thing. Short everything. Typically everything. Now there's some outliners in there. If you go to my channel, you guys can look that up and see what I'm talking about. I'm pretty consistent when it comes to cryptocurrencies and posting about it and the scam into it. I mean, a good example would be look at the metaverse and look at cryptocurrencies at those. Nearly all of them go to zero. Almost all of them. A good example, look at metaverse when it comes to Facebook. Look at Facebook's metaverse, yeah. It's crazy. But here's our website, guys. Let's get into where you guys can purchase this cryptocurrency if you want it. Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Kraken, Gemini, Bittrex, Kraken, blah, blah, blah. Basically all the same major exchanges. This is in the top 100. What number is this one? Rank number 15. It has a market cap of 4.7 billion with the B. And it is on 1.7 million people's watch list. Holy snap. Now let's get to those charts, guys. We are on the weekly. I'm sorry, the monthly. The weekly I like the better. Where do you think this cryptocurrency would be going? I think for me, and this is just looking at the charts, it is going down to $2. And that's the price prediction for the video, guys. $2. And it's going to go there probably relatively quick. So people who are buying this short-term dip should flee. Like, there's no way I would be buying. Look at that weekly bar. Like, let me zoom in on that. I had an open price of $32. Let me see. Open price $32.62. High 33. Low of 12.38. Yeah. Buying this. I mean, I talked about this thing going short, and it's going to go down to, I think, $2. And buying at $2 may be a discount temporarily, but it might just go down lower. So those are my thoughts about Solana when it comes to trading, guys. I think it's going to be lower. I don't have to do technical analysis or break down what's happening. I think this is pretty obvious. It might take a little while, maybe a week, 2 weeks to go up, and then probably make a inverse hammer, or some other indication of a reversal. And because people will be like, oh, it's going to reverse. I'm like, okay, cool. Buy. I think it gets massacred lower. But that's it, guys. But besides that, guys, please check out my website, Andre J. McClendon. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, programming, a free education, learn more about indicators, MetaTrader 4 and 5, web terminal, check it out, guys. And that's the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.